Hello guys. Now I'm going to do this free code camp challenge. Sum all numbers in a range. I use test-driven development methodology. You can see it here. I have the sumall file and sumall.test.js file. I'm going to use Jest as my test runner. Package.json. It seems I have to create a package.json. Let's see. Now it works. So Jest requires the project to be an npm project. Sumall14 should return a number. I'm going to replicate this test here. Expect sumall 1 and 4 to be ten. I'll let this function return 10 to satisfy the red-green refactor process. So now I made it green. I'm going to refactor this method to have it return the correct value. It passed the function receives ARR as the parameter. First, let's make sure make 1.4 work. I get the first number, which is A. I'll call it A, and the second number, call it B. Let's log it out and see if we get them. Good. Okay. How do I get the sum of all the numbers between them? I could use a for loop, but I'll practice reduce. I'll practice using reduce function. How do I use reduce for this? Okay, I'll create a new array with the numbers between A and B inclusive. And I call it for ARR. I'm going to let the first number be A less equal to B, I plus and a plus. So this way I get all the numbers between 1 and 4 in this case. Let's just log it first. We get 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what we are expected. Good. Now I'm going to put the value inside the full ARR. Put every value inside the full ARR. And we are good. We are good. Why not I just separate this? I have so much screen estate. Okay. Now I can use reduce to get the sum of all the elements in the array. For ARR dot reduce. The first parameter is accumulator. The second is the current value. The accumulator starts with the first element. In this case, which is 1. We just return accumulator plus the second value. This first time in this function, the current value should be 2. Let's return that and see if we got it right, and we are good. Now let's try another one, 5, 10, which is the first number is small, the second number is big. Should return 45, and it does. So next, what if the first number is bigger than the second? Let's add this test case. 4, 1 should return 10. Of course, it doesn't work this time. So, let's fix this. If the first number is bigger than the first, if A is bigger than B, then I'll swap these two values. I store A to C, then I assign B to A, finally I assign B to C, that this would effectively swap A and B. And we are good. Let's add another test case, 10 and 5. 10 and 5 should be 45. It works still. This concludes the, not yet, let's copy this into the solution panel. And we are good.